Hey guys, Mike Murphy here, the head coach at All-Star. Came down today to see Max Smith here at Moment Ski Company. We're going to help him do some skis today. They had some troubles with some varying parts, varied lengths, so we're going to make some fixtures for him to help hold those parts better. Max can give us a quick idea of some of those parts that they're looking to hold on to.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're Moment Skis. We're handmade here in Reno, Nevada. As you can see, some of the skis on the wall here that we are producing in-house. We were having a lot of issues with our suction on our CNC, so Mike was able to come down, work with some gaskets, work out a couple different solutions there, so we're hoping that we can hold down both wood, plastic, metal parts a little bit easier on our CNC so that it's a little bit more streamlined process for our guys in the back. Yeah.
Very good. Well, appreciate it.
And then you do your back and forth, and every mile this thing travels will be used. Oh, for sure. Yeah.
It doesn't even like affect it.
It shouldn't.
Just kind of depressed and
Yeah.
Yep, and it's going to recover and a little kind of up there, but.
So I do kind of have an idea since we did this, Max. We'll just set the V on this table here, and then make my pocket right here and put a tile in there, because that's what we essentially did. Just make it close and make it a little bit easier.
And then the idea is, like, you're getting this a little bit worn, but all these that are being utilized to hold your part are still pretty clean and easy. And still should be working pretty strong.
Not to mention, just get the little strips screwed up, just cut a portion of it out.
Yep.
Have another one to shape.
Yeah, you could cut tiles to this size. Yeah. But it seemed like they were pretty ripped on. And
Yeah, I mean, I didn't see any semblance of moving.
That tile weight.
So that's our day today at Moment Skis. Thank you again to the guys over there, Luke, Max, and Billy, for showing us the shop, showing us around some of the things they're doing. Check them out, momentskis.com. Really cool stuff, really cool guys to hang out with. Obviously, they had a lot of challenges. That's why they called us in. They were having trouble with the vacuum efficiency of the router. They were doing long parts, narrow parts, varied sizes. They had the slope of the skis that they were trying to build into the machine before cutting the patterns out. So a lot of different things. Found out that they were probably using an LDF spoilboard that they probably weren't best utilizing. A neighbor using a CNC router told them that. Just shows that every router is kind of like a snowflake. Everybody's a little bit different. Everyone's doing things their own way. Also in Reno, we're dealing with elevation issues. So those guys had that issue to deal with. So all of that being said, we ended up using the tile gasket. Think that's going to be the best solution for what they're doing. We tried the inboard gasketing, tried the onboard gasketing, all those different solutions meant to maximize the vacuum pressure of the router. That's what we're trying to do. I think we got some success in doing that. So hopefully those guys are going to start cutting parts. Give us a call with your issues and we'll do our best to help you out. 800-878-7827. I'm Mike, the head coach here at All-Star. Give me a call and we will talk to you soon.